nasaksihan natin ang big swap ng bahay ni Kuya sa Finland at dito sa bahay sa Pilipinas.
Oo nga, excited na nga ako makita si Catherine!
Oh, so, bago muna natin sasalubungin si Catherine.
Ano ka ba bang?
Ano ba? Sasalubungin mo ay kukumustahin na natin si Katie sa
Sa Finland.
So, panoorin natin yan.
This one is.
Oh.
Good evening, Finland! We are here to welcome our new housemate from the Philippines. Please help me welcome Kathy!
Oh, yay! Oh my God!
Good evening, Kathy.
Good evening. Oh, I am quite cold here. That's why my voice is like.
And what can you say about the Finland?
Oh, it's so cold because in the Philippines it's so hot. Oh my God.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
So, are you excited to get inside the Finland?
Yeah.
My big brother?
Yeah, I'm so excited to watch the new housemate there. Oh.
Okay, let's get in. Let's
Oh.
go.
Oh. Oh.
Good luck.
Oh, shrinking sister. Oh.
Sabi natin ang pagpasok si Kitty sa bahay ni Kuya sa Finland. At sa pagbabalik na si Lloyd Bar Double Up, masasasihan din natin ang pagpasok si Kitty sa bahay ni Kuya dito sa Pilipinas.
Wala man.
Ano ba?
At nagbabalik na si Big Brother Double Up. At ngayon, sasaksihan na natin ang pagpasok ni Kitty sa bahay ni Kuya. At nandito na ang Finnish housemate, K3! Hello, K3!
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
What can you say about the Philippines?
Oh, it's so nice here. Oh my God. Oh, I feel so warm and people are very friendly.
That's nice, K3.
Yeah.
So, what's your first impression here, or what do you expect here? Is it
Oh, I expect that the housemate in here is friendly or yeah.
oh, that's good. We're happy to hear that.
So I'm happy to see it too.
Okay, people, let's see. So, how's the people here?
Oh,
So pretty.
yeah, I told you it's friendly and they're so warm and I love them.
So that's nice. Okay. So what's your message to all the people here, especially here at the bahay?
I love you. How could I do?
Oh, that's nice.
Oh,
She is going in sa bahay ni Kuya. Okay. So, happy mo na siya. Happy mo na siya. So, Kitty, good luck sa bahay ni pagpasok mo. I'm sure you'll enjoy there. So, bye-bye. Good luck.
How could I?
At nasaksihan natin ang pagpasok ni Kitty sa bahay ni Kuya. Papunta na siya sa confession room. Amen.
At ngayon, nasaksihan niyo na ang pagpasok ni K3 sa bahay ni Kuya. Ngayon, kakausapin na niya si K3. Tingnan niyo to.
K3. Good evening. Welcome to the Philippines and to my house. Chungko, chungko, kingko, chungko. Chungko. I'm 20.
Okay lang po. Medyo kinakabahan.
Chungko, Ponte. Piki, cook.
Excited na.
Coco. Cinco, Mickey. Ancho, cinco. Cinco.
Excited at gusto ko na makita at makasama ko dito sa makakasama.
Coco, Pico, Katri. Chungko, Pico.
Medyo hindi pa ako kasi marunong mag... Tagalog.
Chico, Poco, Chico, Kiki. Ka? Kiki, Coco.
Okay lang po yung biyahe. Medyo matagal pero sulit naman.
Okay, ko, tsaka, okay. Tiko, oo.
Sulit? Sulit kasi maganda po ang paligid at napaka-friendly ni Kuya. Oh.
Okay, Coco.
Bye-bye.
At nakausap din ni Kuya si Katie at